Hey guys, Boom Boys here, and today we are celebrating Jeremy's 7th birthday, and we're doing that in style, trying to break his PB. His PB to this day bass is 4 pounds. He's had on much bigger. They've always broken him off, and it is hot. It's June. We're gonna go fish deep and see if we can't get Jeremy a hog. You ready to go, bud?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's roll. Oh yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to try Ned rig. Jeremy's going to actually start with a chatterbait, but simple weight right here, and it's got like a little notch. We actually just got these at Bass Pro. Went there yesterday for Jeremy's birthday, but I bit off the head of this. We typically use these little, what do they call these, Cincos or whatever, for wacky worm style, but I'm going to do a simple just hook it Texas rig through here, and let me see here, it's like this, and then you're gonna kind of measure it like this. So not pretty. I'm gonna start with this right here. It's gonna give this a little presentation, and we're gonna see what we can't pull up.
That was huge.
Oh man, I didn't get on camera, dude. I'm sorry. We'll get another one. Let's go. All right, first one, big one. It would have busted his PB, but got off. So we're gonna keep at it.
This is big. It's big.
Ooh, nice one. Nice one. Did you bust your PB? Yeah. I think you might have.
Busted it.
All right, let me get it. Hold on. Bring it up here. Reel it in some more.
Oh.
The wind. Oh, here. Oh, let me. Oh,
yeah.
I don't know. No, I don't think so. Here, hold this for me.
Oh, that's a big bass. Oh, that's a big
Ooh, guys, the wind's blowing like.
It's
It feels like it's blowing 25, so it's.
Oh, that's a big bass.
No, I don't think you busted, but it's a nice one.
Can you take a picture and send it to Omi?
Yeah,
She asked for
right.
pictures.
Measure it.
Yeah, that skill isn't the best. Like when you catch like a 5 or 6, it says like 4. It's true.
All right. 3.16.
Oh,
Didn't do it.
No.
All right, let's let the boy wet. Woo! Let's go.
Oh, pictures.
Let's go get another one.
Oh yeah, it's a big old bass. Well, not 9. It's felt like it's big. Oh, I got it. It felt like it's.
You got him?
It felt like it was bigger. Ooh,
There we go.
nice one.
Yeah, he's a nice one. He's not your PB, but he's a fun one, isn't he? All
Nice
right.
one.
Good job. Not a big one.
Yeah, that's a
Little
Nice.
dinker.
yeah. Nice one. I didn't even know he was on while I was videoing you. This guy, I didn't even feel him while I was videoing you. Suddenly, I thought I was hung up like Marshall son. Oh, barely hooked.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Oh,
Got one.
huge, not huge, not huge, not huge.
Oh, little dink.
Little dinker. Oh, man, dude.
I'm not catching little dinkers.
Oh, you just catch big ones?
No. Hit it. That was probably a 4 or 5.
Oh, man, we keep missing them, dude. We keep missing them. Let's go.
Hooked him perfect. Oof, it's thin. Ow, it hurts.
Good job, bro. Oh, boy. Oh!
Oh, popped off.
Popped off. Just switched to the tube and he almost pulled out of that sucker.
Uh-huh.
Pop that back up in there and Try to get back after it.
Big one.
Oh, he's big.
Oh, well, I caught a little dink exactly that. I caught one exactly like that size, but he slipped down my hands.
So we haven't been catching. The wind's been blowing us. We anchored up to a stick. We haven't caught one bigger than that 3-pounder Jeremy caught. But I tell you what, whenever things get tough, this is what I usually go to, a tube right here. I mean, this thing's, because they can create a... You got one? You got one? You got one?
I've been feeling ticks.
Oh, man. You got him? Anyway, so the tube, you know, can create reaction bites because it just goes every which way in the water. And actually, just below the boat here, caught one just a little bit ago. But anyways, we're trying to endure this wind. Hopefully, we can still get Jeremy's PB before the day's over with. So we still got some daylight. So hopefully, we can get it done.
Oh, Joe's a bass, not a moss bass.
That's a nice one.
He was fighting like I didn't even. Right when I threw it out there, he just like nailed it. Oh, oof. He's a big jumper. Oh, yeah.
Good job, buddy. Let me see it.
Oh, no. No. Get in the boat. I don't want to lose you. Hey!
Oh, pretty good birthday bass, I tell you what.
Oh, Billy hooked. Oh,
Let's see him.
Weigh him.
Pick him up.
Weigh him. Can we weigh him?
I don't think he's bigger than the other one.
Yeah, but can we weigh him? He's big. Can we weigh him?
Let's throw him back. He's not as big as your other one. He's not your
Can we weigh him?
He's not your PB.
I just want to see how much he weighs.
Okay.
He has big old chompers.
What do you think?
This is the last thing the bluegill will ever see, the throat of a bass.
Yeah, for a lot of them. And we're looking at 2.3. There we go.
Well, I think it's a little bigger than that. That weigher isn't the best.
It says it's made in China. Does that mean it's any good?
No. Did it right when I tossed it behind the boat. I wanted to troll with this jig, but then I didn't get a chance to, and this guy just came up and bit it. Oh, I hooked him good.
Good job. All right, I better get us before we go in these trees over here.
Look at that! Look at that!
The fish for the birthday boy. There we go. Good job, buddy. Not a big one, but hey, it's a fish. Good job, man. On that chatterbait, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Thing's been a good one today. We just couldn't catch the fish deep because this wind couldn't stay in one spot, but good job.
Oh, had one. Yeah, one
Cast
just
it back
came
out.
up. When I was doing that,
Cast it back
it
out,
just
son.
came up and got one. Hey. They might be. I think they're just.
Bit off your tail again.
Oh.
This little bluegill. Oh boy. Oh, he's pulling. Oh boy. Oh boy, is that your PB?
No.
Did we get it? Let me see. Hold on. Oh.
Unless if my weigher was better.
If you're weight. All right, here we go. Let's see. Hold on. All right, man. I don't think this is gonna get it, buddy.
My
I
PB.
don't think it's gonna get you.
Oh, that's probably not my PD.
No, I don't think so.
How much is it?
It's Oh man, just a little bit more than the last one. 2, 4, 2, 4. All right, let's keep throwing, baby. Let's keep throwing. Moss. It's either a big bass or it's moss. I hope it's a big bass, or it's a big bass wrapped up in moss. What is it? Moss bass. Oh boy. It's dark and we're still at it, huh, Jerry? We didn't get your PB yet, but hey, we're gonna have a part 2 of this, all right?
All right.
Does that sound good?
Tomorrow?
I got work tomorrow, but we'll go another time. All right, guys, so we're gonna end up, Jeremy just caught his last fish. We did not break Jeremy's PB today, so we're gonna have a part 2 of this video, a birthday PB. It won't quite be on his birthday, Jeremy, but we are gonna break his PB. We're gonna switch another pond next time, but this pond, it was just, the wind was crazy. We had to tie up. We didn't fish deep like we thought we were gonna fish. You know, just things happen. But anyways, it was an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel, show us some love, like the video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Look for part 2 of this video because Jeremy is gonna break his PB. Right, Jeremy?
Yeah, but I can't get it out. He's gonna die too.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Right?
Yeah. Please do it. He's gonna die.
All right, we better get him before he does. All right, birthday boy, let's get you home. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, boy, getting big.